graduation is done. We are on the way to the campsite. We're just having a quick meal. Dahil di kami ka nakapag-lunch, late lunch na. So yeah, napadrive through sa McDo. And then yeah, we are gonna go to the campsite. ETA 4:04. So it's a 1 hour 20-minute trip. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there. We'll see you when we get there. Fires. Where are we?
We didn't start the campsite.
Yay! Hello. Grabe yung off-road. Nahiya pa hindi pa nilahat yung yung off-road.
Ganun daw, hindi kasi
Buo pa. Oo. Naghihintay nga ako nung sunod na ano eh. Na-live eh. Ito yung gamit ko eh. Kaya na, naglagay ka na? Kaya na, dijipot? Dijipot mo na citronella muna. Naglagay ka ng citronella.
Why is there glowing things in the bag? There's purple glowing thing. Make that's my turn. Not too far, but somewhere there in the clearing. Hi, I'm going to go look at for constellations with Raven.
I wanna too.
Maybe Mix will come.
I will come.
Raven and I will look for stars up there. And
I'm going with you.
you're great too.
Yeah, I'm going to be too.
mamaya may masakali.
Like your hand. Our hand. I think we come whoever is the percent of
Babawasan oras mo niyan eh.
Wala na, 1.5 per na.
We got two more here.
I don't think my
for
the
Raven.
one you use in Osaka
Hindi
is
ata kaya si Tina.
How about you? Tina. Hindi na kaya.
parang
Hindi kaya to.
I'm too heavy.
Ay, too heavy.
I'm too light, so I think
Baka kaya mo.
You're 130 kilograms.
No, I'm 60.
Kapag kami dalawa lang, hindi kami tinitikman. Parang lang dalawa.
Para maiba. Nakakawalan yung
Ito, ito.
Sama ka.
Big
Sama ka.
Wow, ayun. 1, 2.
Uy, ang dumi.
Wala na ba ako sila?
ayun
Dito.
Well, diba mo? Well, may reflector yan.
One more.
Bro, look at Yam's face.
Okay.
Look at Yam.
Kuya.
Wala ka pili-pili na rin.
Judy, favorite ka. Favorite ka ni Mix. Kumakalabit sa akin. I want to spend time with her.
Nakakalimutan naman yung pangalan. Sabihin mo yung name. Nina.
What do you want pa?
Ninang Diyosa.
Si Ninang Diyosa, malapit na Pasko. Mauna pala birthday mo. Mama.
What?
Nga,
Huwag mo pa kaya si Tita Abby.
pambato ka niya.
Si Calix tumba na.
I put that.
Filipino Four Seasons.
Calix tumba na yun.
Four seasons with ano, with hipon. Yung badobo? Badobo? Badobo.
Ah, is it delicious?
Is it resource? That's nice. Naging ano? Warm eh. Kunan kita ng chair na yan.
Oh, I think it's gonna hold. Where's the marshmallow? My mom. Nagtatanong sila ng steak.
Stick, wait. Ang tayo kukuha ng stick gabi. Wait lang.
Yes, Daddy.
Doon, doon yung stick.
No, I want marshmallow.
Try down.
Sorry.
You sit down there.
You sit down, you wait, you wait.
The four of you, you just sit down.
Kami, no.
Picture, picture. Ayun. Baka gumanon, hindi pa pantay naman.
Diyan kasi sa maliit na lagi yun sa
Bossing. Oh, bossing nga, bossing. Kape tayo. Naggawa na sila ng kape. Gori-gori time. Ayun. Gori-gori time.
overnight camping with our LG, our light group here in the preserve. Ayun. Na-miss ko yung company nila. I missed everyone. Nakakatuwa na yung kids namin eh. They've grown a lot closer over the past few hours na nandito kami. Nagising sila. So, ayan, best friends na raw sila. Ayan. I hope magawa namin to ulit soon. And mas dare I say, mas marami kaming maambag. Kasi siyempre medyo naubos yung funds namin dun sa graduation ng kids. So, ang daming medyo biniling damit, shoes and stuff. So, yun. Hopefully next time that we go here or go camping with them or go out with them, kami naman yung taya. So, pero ganun ang LG ang light group eh. Tulungan para makabangon, tulungan para maka experience ng love ni God. So yun. Kaya very thankful kami for them. Yun. Until next time, LG, we miss you and hope to see you again soon. Yun. Buyers, for now, pray for our trip home. It's a long one. Buyers.